All right, stars. So I decided to make this video to just show us how we do analysis. Yes, still using our strategy. So right now I'm at the daily time frame. I sent a screenshot of this setup on the Telegram chat so you can make reference to it. As you can see, for 2 days it has been selling, and today the candle is looking very small, although the day is still young. Okay, so this is 10:27 a.m. So let's see what how we can analyze this market to see how we can look for opportunities. I've seen, as you can see, I mapped out the point of interest zone. Price didn't really get to my point of interest zone, but look at what happened. This trend line here that I drew, look how price reacted around that region, around that zone. So from the daily, we know that the structure of the market is actually a buy trend. Look at it. Price moves up, expanded to form a higher high, higher low, higher high, and now it's trying to form a higher low. So price is around this region right now, and it could bias. That's a buy zone. That's because that's a support zone. Okay, so let's go to the 4 hour time frame to see what's happening. Look at what price is doing around this zone here. It is a buy zone. Okay, it is a buy zone, and look how price is reacting around that region. There's really no clear direction of where price is going right now. So we go to the lower time frame to see what's actually happening. Let's go to the 1 hour to see. As you can see, there's still no clear direction. Let me put up my trend line, the horizontal line. You see that price is kind of struggling to break through this zone here, this green line that I just put up on the chart. Price is struggling to break through that zone. So if you look at the behavior of the market on the 1 hour, you see that it has been trending downward. It has been bearish, right? And market structure has been playing out. Look at the bearish market structure has been playing out. Look at it went down, came. So we expect price to still go down and make a lower low, but it didn't. Rather, price is trying to break this region here. It's trying to break this region. It's trying to break this region here so that it form um a higher high, telling you that indicating that the market structure has changed. So now that we know what market is trying to do, because the price, that's why I put up this green trend, this green horizontal line there to mark that zone where we have buyers trying to break through that zone. All right, so let's go to the 15 minutes to see what's happening. Now in the 15 minutes, you see how price is respecting that zone, right? And I can see that price is actually even ranging right now. You see this line from here, this is the support, and from here, from this zone, price is ranging from that zone, from this zone to this zone. You can see that it's a range. So the market is trying to find a direction. So for us to know what's basically happening, mind you, we're having an eagle's view of the market. I started from the daily time frame. You see how I'm coming down to the low time frame, right? So I'll go down to the 5 minute to see what's basically happening. Now the picture is becoming clearer. Do you see how price is respecting this resistance zone, and it's also respecting this support zone? Okay, so now what do you see? I'm seeing something. I'm seeing a structure for an uptrend playing out in the 5 minute. Currently, look at it from here. Price went up, made higher high, came back to make higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And price is trying to go to make another higher high. But let's go to the 1 minute, which is our entry time frame to see what's happening. Look at it. Let me just zoom out to see the structure. Do you see it clearly? This is what's happening clearly. Do you see it? Higher high, higher low, higher high, and price is just struggling to go up. So let's put up our trend line, identify areas of support and resistance. Look at it from here to here. So this is our support. And then you take it up. We have our resistance, right? Then because we're using a mobile phone, so we have to put it again. So we have a channel right now, and look at what price is doing in this channel, guys. It's giving us a structure for an uptrend. So let's go. Let me expand it. So currently, if I'm to trade this kind of market, let me start from here. If I'm to trade this kind of market moved, came back, right? Now I'm at this currently here. What do? I'll just put up my trend line, and allow price to break my trend line, right? And close above my 21 EMA. And what do? Look at once this is where price closed here. All right. That was where price closed above it. This candle closed above it, right? So I enter my trade around this green line. Let's calculate what will be um the risk set as at stop loss below the previous high. That's close to 300 pips. And then how much do we stand to make to here? That is close to 500 pips. So risking 300 to make, that's almost 1:2 ratio, risk reward ratio, right? And then another place or look for entry also. Let's say I'm looking for to buy, because we're looking for buy opportunity because market is giving us a structure to buy. Okay, so let's say I draw my trend line. I'll wait for price to break the trend line around this region. Look at where it broke it, and it candle closed below our 21. So where will be my place of entry? Would have been somewhere around here. This candle, after the close of this candle here, let me show you this candle here. Okay, then where would I set my stop loss? Above the previous high, above the previous high, this region. Let me put up another green line so you see it. Above the previous high, this high here. Okay, above it, look at, there's a high, there's a lower high there. So above it, now let's calculate how much would I have risked if, oh, let me change my candles. How much would have been the risk if I took that trade? Let me see. Using my crosshair tool, I'll be risking like 201 pips, 214 pips. This is using the minimum lot size. That's like $2. And then how much will I make? I'll make like 342 pips using minimum lot size. That's $3. It's not an advisable risk to reward ratio. At least minimum of 1:2. All right. So this is almost 1:2. All right. But if you're scalping, yeah, you can just make your money once price gets to this zone and is bouncing back up. You just exit your trade, right? Then for what? Let's analyze the sell. This is just a follow-up video to just show you, to just remind you how this strategy works. Look at it. What happened? Here? Price broke above our trend line here and closed. So where would have been our point of entry? Let me drag my green line. I've entered around here. Set our stop loss around here. So let's calculate the risk. You see, if you follow this strategy, guys, you will not be risking much. Look at, we'll be risking like let me say $2. Our stop loss is supposed to be here below the previous low, right? And then how much would have still been in this trade by now, because got up to $2.41 and came back, and then it's trying to go. So would have still been in this trade, still in profit right now. If we entered around here, would have still been in profit because look at where price is currently. So this is it, guys. I just said let me do a follow video. And if you notice here, I didn't even really talk about divergence. I didn't really even do this. Is just pure, more like technical analysis. All right, following price action. Okay, I didn't even look at my indicator for divergence or whatever. I'm just showing you that the strategy works. Divergence gives you more confluence, more confirmation. Okay, and you looking for this kind of trade in a point of interest zone gives you more advantage, give you the chances of entering a trade with a much higher probability. Okay, so that is that about this video. I just said let me do it to illustrate, so to remind you how I analyze the market. Okay, so watch the video, watch it over and over again till you understand, till you grab the message, the concept here. Oh, price is still trying to move up. Now look at what price is doing right now. Currently, I can still analyze what price is doing right now. Look at what price it got here and then it bounced up. You see, it's like trying to give a structure. This is a flag pattern. This is a flag. So price might break out of this flag and keep going up. It might come down and break the flag and go down. So this is actually this flag pattern can be a continuation pattern. Yeah, you can research about flag patterns, about patterns. I sent the PDF on the chart so you can look for it and see how it plays out. Make sure you get familiar with chart patterns. Okay. So as you can see, price is still respecting the flag. You can see a false breakout here, and price went back in, came back, broke out of the flag, and tested this support zone here, and still went back into the flag. All right. So I won't, if I were analyzing this market, then I will not enter after the breakout. Why? Because there's still a support zone here, so I won't enter. All right. And if you look at the directional bias of the market from the 15 minutes, you discover that from the 5 minutes, you discover that we're supposed to be looking for buy because this is giving us setup for buy. All right. So we'll be looking for buy opportunities. That's what I'll be looking for, not sell. All right. So I will be patient to allow price to break out of this, clearly break out of this flag, this channel, before I'll continue I'll buy. You understand? So that is basically how you use this strategy. And if you're interested in learning how to trade using this strategy, it is very, very simple. And it doesn't matter whether you're an expert or you're a beginner trader, you don't know anything, there's a course for it. All right. So just tap on the link below this video and you get started. It's very simple strategy. Won't take you long to learn. Just practice and practice and practice, and you perfect it. Okay, so click on the link below this video, and so you get started. And if you like what you're watching, please just hit the subscribe button, like this video. You can ask questions in the comment section, and I'll be happy to attend to them. Okay, so like I said, if you're interested, just tap on the link below to get started. Cheers.